Hello everyone. Welcome to the part 2 of week 1 stream. Today we are going to dive into some more new problems and let's begin. So let's start. So the question in front of us. Accept a registration number of as input and print its state code as output. Wait, I'll just turn off the music. It's a little distracting right now. Mm, Wait, which was the question? I guess the question should have been made six, yeah, okay. Accept the registration number of a vehicle as input and print its state code as output. How do you do this? How do you do this? We can use a string function for this. So first thing they say us is I need to accept. So let me accept something, a variable, or let's say code. A code, I don't need an input, so I just need an input, and I say enter your registration number. So, and I need to print something. So what do I need to print? Let me have a look. And printed state code. So what is the state code? Usually, as far as I know, and you guys know, it starts with something like KA01, and then you have some other letters, and then you have a 4-digit number. This is typically how this thing looks. So I just need these two. So I can use the trim feature of Python. So I'll put code 0 to 1. So start with 0 and end at index number 1. So this is 0, 1. No, it should end at 2. Right. I doubt, even I don't know, it's just me learning with you guys. So I'll enter my registration number KA01451234. By the way, it's not my number. KA. This is what the code expected of us, and we have done that. Let's move ahead with the next question. Question 6.py. Oh, sorry, it is 6.py, not 80. Okay, let me get the question for you. This is an even simpler question which I've got. Accept two words as input and print two words after adding a space between them. So I have two different ways of doing that, and I will do in the two different ways. So str1 equal to input and enter string 1. That is one way, and I'll get the string 2. Wait, sorry, yup. I'll get a string 2 and a simple way. Print str1, no, not in this way, str1 plus a space, add str2. This is one way of doing it. Enter string 1 Joyce, enter string 2 Malik, Joy is smiling with a space in between. A third way is just to introduce a variable str1 plus a space and str2. We can also use the concatenate feature. So I'll print tri and print c and I enter string 1 choice. Oh, what did I just do? I'll do it once again. Joyce choice. Valid. Yeah, both are same. You can see. Okay, let's move ahead with the next one. 7.py. Huh. Seems that I have run into the network issue. Hey, I am just back and let us start coding. So here is the question for you people. Solve it if you can for me. So this is the question. The question is print the following pattern. Wait, can stop this. Let me try doing this. Yes. Print the following pattern. There is exactly one space between any two consecutive numbers. 1 to 1, 1 to 3, 3 to 1, 1 to 3, 4, 3 to 1, 1 to. Yes, let us go in one traditional way, that is the fool's way. That is 1, 2, 1. And it goes on like this. 1 to 1, 3, 2, 1, 1 to 1, 3, 4, 2, 1. 1 to 1, 3, 4. 4 doesn't come in. Okay, 5 here. Take 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That is done. So this is the most simplest way that can ever exist. And you do get the output, but this is not what we want. Let us try using for loop for this. Let's go. So we'll take an input n equal to int of input of something. Please, I request you to enter a number. And after I get the number, after requesting, I get into for loop. Or I in range of n, I guess. No, 1 comma n plus 1. So if you have doubts, you can ask me in the chat box, which I don't think you would because none of you are watching with 0 concurrent viewers. Ask me in the comments, I might explain you there. Put a colon, don't forget that. So what next? I can go with 1, 2, 3, 4. So I need to have a print statement. I guess I need to go with 2 for loops because rows and columns, that is what I see. So for j n range, wait, I see a 1, 2, 3, 4 rows and it goes 1 to 1. So it increases as well as decreases. So how do I approach this? first row, first column is 1. First row, second column is 2. And then it decreases. Do I need 3 loops for this? 3 loops. I can go like 1, 2, 1. That would be 1. Then I increment the row variable, it goes 2. And when it reaches 2, I would ask it to decrement. So I can have 2 for loops. That would be a better idea, which I can think of right now. So if I'll put it as not reached. If I put reached is better, REACHED, reached. And I will declare reached equal to false initially. So if reached is true, only then this gets executed. Else, else what happens is reached is not reached. Reached means it reaches the highest value here. So if it is not reached, so when is it not reached? So how do I declare reached? Reached is, it is damn confusing. Initially, doesn't it start with 2 here? Huh. Okay, let's see how does this go. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. So I print this once and this again. I print till 4 and oh, look, okay, I will go with 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Let me try that first and then I will do something else. Let me go here for Jn range of n. It should be n plus 1 starting 1 comma and not n plus 1, I. So how does this go? Print j. And when I print this out, I would put 4. Okay, I need to use the end thing here. End with, okay, end equal to nothing, just a space. And then we are out of the loop, print. That's it. So this should give it enter number 4. 1, 2, 3. I need it till n plus 1, 4. Why isn't it getting it? Okay, here I need to put I plus 1. I plus 1. Enter the loop. Please enter number 4. I get the first part of it. 1, 2. Okay, I need 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 is enough, I guess. So what would I do here? I would start here with 2 itself. So and try with enter number 4. 1, 2, 3. Yep, I'm getting the first part really well. So this thing should only happen till here, and when it reaches here, it should go with another for loop, which is reverse. Let me try the reverse version now. I'll make this a comment, copy it, go with the next line, print. I'll use a variable k here, and comment for k in range of 1 to I minus 1, and actually go minus 1 is a step counter. I would go from I plus 1 to 1. So I plus 1 here would be 3. That would be pretty wrong. I am certain of it. By the way, what is that? It should be k, okay. Print. What is another error here? Should it come here? No, I don't want it. I want it here. What is this? What is the indentation error? I know, but the forest parameter. Yep, enter number 4. I get nothing. Extremely nothing. Enter number 10. Still nothing. It does not print anything at all except for the print. So it is executing 10 times for sure. Print in range I plus 1 to I. 1 minus 1. Okay, sorry, I forgot a comma. I forgot a comma. Enter a number. I enter 5. 32432. I need 1 as the last number. So this should be 1, 0. And then I do it again. Enter number 5. 321, 4321. I don't need these two. So if I don't need them, I will just put it as I minus 1. That should work. Let's enter number 4, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Yep, I get this part. So the only thing left out is to merge them. So uncomment this thing. Fine enough. I hope this works. Please do work when I put. Wait, I don't need 4 there, I need it here. 4, enter. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it is working. I just need to remove this statement here. And it is going to work perfectly fine. If it does not work, I'm going to get mad. Enter number 4. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, I need it for 5. Fine, cool enough. I can do that. 5. You just check this out. It is same with the for loop. That was a good thinking exercise, truly. So here, what did I do? I took a for loop if I in range of 2 to n plus 1 because I am splitting the matrix into 2. So this thing prints 1 to 2 in ascending order and this thing prints in descending order. That is my logic. If you have a new logic, you're welcome to do it in the comments. Okay, let's go with the 8th program. I guess this one is an easy one. Let me check it out. 8 program, right? Oh, wow. Okay. Accept a 5, wait, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, accept a 5-digit number as input and print the sum of its digit as output. Okay. Print sum of digits and what. I cannot do it in a single line. First thing what I do is accept x equal to int of input of int 5-digit number and 5-digit number and print the sum. For this I'll be using a while loop while x not equal to 0 and then I would go with I need a thing called as reminder. No, I need the reverse. No, do I need the reverse? Yep, I need this one, sum variable, sum equal to 0 variable, because I cannot declare anything all of a sudden in a while loop. It is never recommended to declare anything inside a while loop. So I declared out like a variable which needs to have a value. So I use reminder equal to x mod 1. Sorry, x mod 10. I get the reminder. Then I decrease the value of x. Let me use a shorthand operator x by equal to 10. And then I put sum plus equal to rem plus, no, yeah. And I will print sum here, SUM. And let's check it if it is right or not. Enter a 5-digit number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the most famous one. 16.66664. Congratulations, I have an error here. I need to do floor division here. Reminder is x bar 10. Let me try now. Enter 5-digit number. I enter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 15. Yep, I did. Here, if you just use one division, it gives a real division. What do you mean by that? If you divide 15 by 4, you will get 3.75. And that reminder, it goes into a different thing. That is what I suppose. Why not just check it out? I am really curious to do that. Let's check. Let's check. There, and there. These are the breakpoints, and let's see what happens. So when I put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as a 5-digit number, let's see what happens. X is this number, sum is 0, and rem is undefined. Let's continue. Continue. Wait, let me increase this thing. How do I reduce this? Not watch. Breakpoints not required. Call step not required. Globals. Yes. So reminder is 5 and sum is 0. X is this. Then to the next step, X becomes 1, 2, 3, 4.5. Okay, rem is still 5. Next, reminder is 5 again. No, it is not yet updated. Okay, reminder is 4.5. Okay, and then sum is 5 still, and X value needs to get updated now. See, 1, 2, 3.45. And sum gets updated to 9.5. Next, we get to the reminder step. Reminder is 3.4500. And when you have 1 to 12.345, sum is this, you understand where this thing is going. So eventually you have sum equal to 15, and at the end, you have this thing. Wow, this was pretty cool, and I never knew this. And why does this keep on going? Yep, it ends here and it does not go. Oh wait, what? This is an infinite loop? Because X would never be 1. Whoa, I never even thought that it is an infinite loop. As I keep iterating, it keeps on going. Man, yeah. Wait, then how did I get the output? Enter 5 digit now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me break these points. Continue. I guess it goes infinite amount of times, means certain number of time, and then gives the output because it is constant. Okay, so this is going to be this kind of integer. Okay. Going to the next one. 9 question. 9.py. Let me get a question for you. Which 9 question, where do I have it open? Okay. This is a very long question. Here you go. But wait a minute, I'll do some settings. Settings. Please bear with me, or you can just keep enjoying the music till then. If I am back. So let's start coding. Okay, here is the question we have. A simple algorithm has to be designed, does not look simple, to find out whether a student belongs to the data science branch or not. The input will be a student's roll number, which is of the form BR18B00. Here BR represents the branch code. Okay, 18 represents the year of joining, B represents the education level, and 00 represents the specific identification given to the student of that batch. The branch code for data science is DS. Okay. So what should we do? Print true if a student belongs to data science branch or and false otherwise. Okay. So need to do something called as int. First I need to input. So what do I need to input? It is the branch. 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 Equal to what? Input. What? Please. Let's be good. Please enter your branch. Y-O-U-R, your branch. You get the input and then we print. And before printing, we need to check. And false. Just a true false thing. So easy, right? Wait. I can do it in a single line and a double line as well. Let's go with a single line now. If what? If the first two things are DS only, right? If branch of 0 to 1 is DS. No, double equal to DS. DS. Then print what? PRUE. Else obviously false. Else print false. Your BRAN branch. Okay. I just copy this, then come here, paste it. It should give false, and it would have given false either ways. They should be true. Yep. And now run it with the same, not there, here. And I put DS over here. Wait, I can't get the things here. Like DS and something da. I need a capital DS. True. That is what it needs us to do. Let me check with the question once again and let's confirm what that. Let me even give you a solution code. Wow, this is a much simpler way. Here, have a look. This is a solution which they have provided. Roll number, input, branch. I just cut it to 0. I didn't even require a 0 here. And print. The statement is condition is checked in the print statement. Wow, so cool. And this definitely does give the output for sure because it is the solution code. Go back and why am I deleting the code? I give the input as paste as one line. No. I put DS and something, enter it as true. And false, you can check it out later. Let me go with the 10th question and then we can stop for today, I guess. Wait, we have the 10th question. When here it is. This is also a long question. 10 dot py. Go here, paste the question. Is sent boot up enabled. Yep, here you go. I have 1, 2, 3. Yep. The police are trying to track a criminal based on the evidence available at the crime site. The main clue is a vehicle damage number plate. Only the string TN07 is visible. The format of the registration number is AA000000. What? Yeah, that is how it is. Where the first two letters are alphabets next to a numbers, next to again alphabets followed by numbers. The number plate is picked from a database of registration numbers and is given to you as input. And wait, what we have to your task is to determine if this could belong to a criminal or not. Okay, print true if the number plate contains TN07. Okay, so fine. It could contain TN07 here or even here. That is something that I'm checking. So first thing, obviously take the input, number plate, and or pen always better. Number equal to input. Input what? Uh, enter the what? Is it called registration number? Yes, RE registration number. So I take the registration number as input and then I check. I will directly print. Last time I've learned print. Okay, print what? Print number from 0 to what is it? Printing 0, 1, 2, 3 to 0 to 4. It would be is double equal to tn double 0, 7. Right. That's what they said. tn double 0, 7. Where is it? Okay, only 0, 0, 7. Too much of James Bond, I guess. Or number got shorted to, it would start from here. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, and this is the fourth index. So it start from 4 till the end, and double equal to same thing. Tn, capital Tn 07, and it should give us the output. Let me get some things here. This is one of the inputs. Enter true. Let me get this thing, one that is false. It's false, yeah. Let me give one more thing as input. Let's put T in at the end and check. TN07. Enter. True. Wow. It works. It works. Okay. Don't question anymore because it works. Wait, by the way, I was tempted to see the solution of it now. Let me see what is the solution they have provided. Yeah, they have provided the same solution too. Hmm. Okay, 11th question coming up for you. There are 13 questions overall. I'll take the 12 here. Where's the 11th question here? And 13. Okay. So, yep, here is the 11th question. Here you go. Oh no, what has this thing pasted? Please give me, I will just format the question. Sometimes VS Code does not allow formatted text to be pasted. Still not right. Not right yet. Just a moment. Is this going to work? Yes, it works. No, not completely. Kind of, let's manage with this thing, whatever I have got. Okay, fine. Accept two integers a and b as input and print the absolute difference of both the numbers. For example, you have a equal to 9, b equal to 8. Then the absolute difference is 9 minus 8, 19. Wait, what? 9 minus 8 is 1. Okay, so your output should be 11. Wait, okay, it is not 11, it is 1. That is what I was saying, some formatting issues. This goes here, this goes here. This thing indirect. Okay, so two numbers, it is nothing but the model absolute number you need to get. So first thing is taking numbers. X, I will go with the easier way, x equal to input, input spelling, grow input, of enter the enter number one, and then just copy paste with a comma next to it. Up with enter number two. Okay, soon after that, I need to print the absolute difference. So, how do I print the absolute difference? First, if one thing is greater than other, then subtract the bigger minus the smaller. That is the easiest way. Like most, what do you say, the first thing that comes to mind. Otherwise, is there something else that could be done here? Is there a inbuilt mod operator? Yes, that would definitely be there. But yeah, first thing is whatever comes to mind, just do that. Print max of. I would use the max operator here because maximum of p minus p x y minus y. Sorry, x minus y comma y minus x. Let's print this thing. Two numbers. If not there. Two numbers. Number one is 15. Number two is 89. 74. Yep, it gives you the difference. Truly. Let me check the solution. Wow, the solution is just amazing. I don't think so any of you would have expected. This is a two-line solution which I've done using a simple function, but the website gives me this. First, it takes two numbers A and B as input, square the difference, and then get the root. Wow. And difference is the integer of the root. Man, who would have thought this thing? But it's crazy. Item number 1589, 74. Wow. Hats off. Good solution. Let's go to the 12th question. So here comes the 12th question. 12.py and 1 to 3. And here you go. You're given a string and two negative numbers as input. String and two negative numbers. Two integers specify the start and end indices of the substring in the given string. Create a new string by replicating the substring a minimum number of times so that the resulting string is longer than the input string. Oh, what is this? The input parameters are string, start string of the substring and the end index of the substring. Okay, fine. Let me better have a Okay, fine. Let me understand with you people. Then if I don't understand, I'll have a look at the input and output that is expected. Given a string, two negative numbers as input. Input is clear. Two integers specify the start and end indices of substring given in a string clear. Now this is what we should do. Create a new string. Yep, I'll create a new string. By replicating the substring of minimum number of times so that the resulting string is no longer than the input string. Wow, amazing. Damn confusing, but let's try. So first thing is string. So what do I take a string? I'll take it as word. Word equal to input. We'll take a string. And then start would be a integer. Int of input of start. And then I would do the same for end. END. So this is the input sorted out. Create a new string by replicating the substring a minimum number of times. Let's not go with the print statement directly. Let's go slowly. New word. What is new word equal to? New word equal to word equal to what? New word is okay. So the new word is going to be how? Replicating the substring a minimum number of times. So I need to replicate this string. So what is this string? Word. Word. I need to replicate from start to end. That is what is said. And I need to print this. But how many times is the question? Let me first check if this works properly. Python debugger. And let me get the Python 00. So when I enter the start and enter, it gives me nothing at all. Then I think n should be n plus 1. N needs to be n plus 1. And only then it would be right, I think. Yes, this is right. Let me have a look at one more. Let's see this. Important IMP. Wow, this thing works, but what it asked me is IMP. It needs to keep on printing till it's less than this length. Okay, so this thing into how many times? I can take the length of this. Okay, fine. Length of, okay, times. Let me take a variable times equal to length of new word or word divided by this thing would be better. Length of word divided by the length of new word, and I need this thing to be an integer. So int of, or why that? Just for division is better instead of typecasting and all this thing. Does that new word into times, not 8 though, it is into. Let's check this. String, not content. What am I doing? IMP, IMP, IMP. This is 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Is that what's expected? Yes, that is what is expected. Let's see for the new one. So ST 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. It is less than that. Yep, fine. This code works. Uh, let's see the alternative way of doing this. No, this is the best way of doing. This is the best way of doing. Fine. Let's go for the next question. 13.py. 13.py. Wait, do I have it open? Hmm. How do I show it to you? 13th question is a bit long and I don't want to continue this theme, but let me just go ahead and a little bit and finish it off. I cannot paste this thing here. It does not paste here. Give me a moment. I will paste it in a better way for you people. This is what it is. Let me make it as an image for you people. One minute, please. Academics from Python week 1. Okay, here you go. I got the image. Okay, so this is the question. So this is 13th question. Okay, the following expression is called a continued fraction. Accept a positive integer x as an input. Okay, compute the value of this continued fraction and store the result in a variable named cfrac. We will round off your answer to exactly 2 decimal places. You don't have to print output to console. We will take care of that. This is for their system, but let's print it. Okay, accept a positive integer x as an input. Okay, first thing, accept a positive integer x equal to n of input of enter what is it? Positive integer. Please stand by for some time. I'm just coming. Yep, I am back. So let's start with coding. So let me think. I have no clue of how to do this. So first thing is I accepted the positive integer and then I compute the value. Why is this zooming out? Okay, do this. Okay. And then it is asking me to compute the value of the continued fraction. So what I see is x plus this number and it keeps on going. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I could do it using recursive functions or whatever they could. It might be a mathematical formula here, so it is better to do it 6 times. So what it is testing here is our ability to do mathematical formula. So it is x plus, let's go with x plus 1 by x plus 1 by x plus 1 by x plus. Yep, something like x plus 1 by x plus 1 by x plus here. So let's go see frac equal to number 1 x plus Next, get into the bracket. 1 plus, wait, is it x plus what? X plus 1 by something. Okay. It is x plus 1 divided by x plus. Okay. Okay. Where did I lose the question? 1 minute, please. Let me close all of these and open it freshly. Wait, I have an error here. Yeah. Okay, fine. So it is x plus 1 divided by x. 1 divided by x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 divided by again x plus 1 divided by again x plus 1 divided by x. I guess this is the end. So x divided by 1. Let's count the number of ones. So that's how we might get answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones. Exact. I guess I have not closed some bracket someplace. Yep, it is fine. X divided by 1 plus x. So this thing would compute like this first. I better put it in brackets now. Put it in bracket. Now next is this one. This thing should be in bracket, I guess. Brackets aren't necessary. Okay, fine, let's run it with whatever input they have given me. So here is the input which I have got. They want me to put, that is 2, and the answer needs to be 0.4. Oh man, I haven't even put the print statement. Print. That is what it was. C fact. Let's run the code. Positive integer. 2.411. Yep, it is going right. Let us go with 3, 1. Okay, for 3 the answer needs to be 3.0. 3 it should be 3.30. Yes, it is right. And for 1 it should be 1.62. Let us go with 1 now. For 1 it needs to be 1.57. It needs to be 1.62. Some error. Definitely need to use the bracket. Wow. This seems complicated. Let us go with a much more simpler. Okay, let me go with L1 way. So x divided by this entire thing, I take it as L3, this thing I will take it as L2, this thing as L1, and this thing as L. So let me go with the bottom up approach instead of top down approach. So bottom up, 1 by x, x plus 1 by x is what I will take first. So L equal to x plus 1 by x. Okay, next I got x plus 1 by x. Now I need to do x plus 1 divided by L1 variable. Sorry, L variable. So L1 equal to x plus 1 divided by L1. No, not L1, L. So this is L. See here, this thing is L. So x plus 1 by L. So x plus 1 by L. Yeah. Now x plus 1 by L1. Okay. Let us do that. So x plus L2 x plus 1 by L2. This L. This thing is L1. Wait. This thing is L. This thing is L1. This thing should be L2. This thing should be L3. And L4 would be give you the answer. Yeah, 3, 4. So L3 and L4 is the answer. So L4 needs to be C fract. And this thing, let's go L1, L2, L3, L4. Wait, what? This is L1, right? L1. This is L2. This is L3. And let's go back and see that. Let me try now. Enter 1.625. We have done it. 1.625. That is what expected. Let me check. 1.625. Yes. Let's check with 4. Expected answer is 4.236. Yeah, that is conservative. So this thing is right. Let me put an alternate thing. The first way of approach, this is how if you want you can do it. This thing also gives the answer. No, that is my link. Okay, this thing gives you the answer. So then check this out. Okay, I guess this is enough for today. Let's do one last question. Let's end with a very simple question. Coming up for you. 14.py, and here is a question. Accept 5 words as input and print the sentences formed by this words after adding a space between the consecutive words with a full stop at the end. We have already done this question once, so it's a repeated question. Print. For printing, let's take input. Word 1 equal to int. Y input of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 words, so nothing much. W1 plus space plus W2 plus a space plus W3 plus a space plus W4 plus a space plus W5 plus a full stop. So this is how it is. Let's do it. Please support me on YouTube. Please support me on YouTube. As you can see, please like the video if you gained some knowledge from here. I wouldn't ask you to subscribe unless you really want to. It would be good if you did that, but completely up to you. If you want me to update anything, please do comment down below. I will try improving whatever I can, whatever I could. Thank you. See you guys.